What's up, guys? Today I want to show you $1 million a month Shopify branded dropshipping store, what they're doing, how they're doing it, and how you can do it too. So let's jump onto the computer and I'm going to go over it in detail. Here we are then. This is the Shop Hunter page for Space Goods. And essentially what they are is a coffee brand, but they do a lot of things right and a lot of things that you can implement for your own products, even if you're not doing consumables, even if you're doing, physical products, problem solving products, whatever. There's a lot of lessons going to be in this video. So as you can see, they do about $1 million a month and, they're down 2.1%. Shop Hunter is not 100% accurate. I just want to say that. But look here, so they've got some their products here. So this product's done 11k today, 5.6k, 3.2k. They are primarily based in the UK. The guy that runs it does do some YouTube videos, does tweet and stuff, and he said one of his biggest regrets is only focusing on the UK instead of America. So it is important to note, don't limit yourself at the start. Don't limit yourself just to one country, okay? So whilst we're in here, I just want to take note, right? Look at this starter kit, starter kit, starter kit. They're making it pretty obvious. Starter kit, bulk buy offers, sample packs, right? So let's go over onto their website. So here we have the home page. Right away, we have Trust Factor, we have their Trust Pilot, we have a nice slogan, break it down, making it easy to get started. And they just have some great imagery, right? They have some great imagery, some great social proof, and just really nice website broken down. So then here, they have the TikTok video slider style, get started. Here's the starter packs, an easy entry point to get people in, and then day and night, what's it for, how to use, and again, reinforcing it with, reviews and that trust factor, breaking down the ingredients, breaking down exactly what it's built of. This is just a really ideal page. Now, you won't be able to get yours to look like this, or it might not even make sense to do it. But I'm showing you this homepage because probably about 70% of dropshippers forget about their homepage, right? About 15-20% of your visitors will go to your homepage. And if they are actively going around your site, it's because they're interested. It's because they want to know more. So you want every place that they can go on their site, on your site, to be good, to be of high quality, to be of informative, and to follow a very nice structure that you are pushing behind your brand. So let's take us up to the top. They have a nice, FOMO, urgency deal here. Always nice to have, right? This nice little countdown. Now, I do just want to plug, I make a lot of custom liquids. I can, make custom liquids. I post custom liquids like this all the time. And I've made a free Discord. It's Shopify Mafia. I know a lot of you miss Etsy Mafia. It's Shopify Mafia. There's nothing paid. I don't want your money. You can't force me to take your money. Nothing in there is behind a paywall. It's all open. I don't even want your email, right? It's you join and you see it all. You get access to everything. You don't need to do anything to get it. It's all in there. And the link is in the description. Okay, it's just a Discord. It's brand new. So yeah, join that. I post these liquids all the time in there. So up to the top, look how easy this is. Get started. Okay, I want to get started. And we go here to their starter kit. Remember how I mentioned that earlier? So we get started and it's the starter kit. So they are making it extremely easy to get into this product, right? Like if you were selling fitness products and you were not just selling like a Pilates machine, right? You weren't just selling a Pilates machine. You're selling a 60-day transformation kit, right? You're not just selling something to help your stomach. you're selling a 30-day gut detox, right? It's all how you position the naming of your products. So like here, they've done get started, and it's a starter kit. So everything you need is inside of this, right? Again, if we structure it from the top, we've got these reviews, we've got it broken down, we've got this super easy, get started, everything I need starter kit. We've got a quick breakdown of pricing of per what you get, and you even get free gifts. Woo! I'll break that down shortly. Okay, we're saving 20% on this starter kit, so we save £10. And well, what is this starter kit? Okay, we have this nice photo here. You get a free whisk, electric whisk, free cup, free scooper, free tin. Wow! And there's the pack. We get everything we need to use this product straight away, right? Now, when someone visits your site, the first thing they're going to do is they're going to slide across and not down. Now, if you install a tool like Clarity or Lucky Orange, where you can see video recordings, you're going to see people slide across like that, because it's much easier to move your thumb like across, I can't show, than it is down. So they're going to go through your pictures first. And if everything they need to know to get them hooked is in your photos, then you have a much higher chance of converting, right? So here they're starting off with, this is all you get for free. Now we're breaking it down, right? It's less than £1.30 a day. Wow, right? Super potent, 0 fillers and big dosages. No more drowsiness. Genuinely, it tastes great, right? Step 1, this is how I do it. Wow, this is great. Here's a cup of Focused. Here's what's in it. Wow, hot, cold. I can do both. I was wondering if I could have it cold. Okay, and there's the accessories I get for free. Okay, that's what's in it. Right, every single possible question that they can have is being solved in the photos too, as well as it being solved down through the listing. But this is a quick, easy way to solve any questions, to answer any questions, before they even get the chance to think them up. Now again, here we have some nice little bullet points structured in the price. Now, I don't really like how small the price is. For me, it's a bit of an off-put. I would rather it be a bit bigger, but they're doing $1 million a month. I'm sure they have studied that. Now, again here, they do a subscription service. A lot of products that you sell, you can find a way to do a subscription service with it, or you can do a one-time purchase, but I'm going to be spending £10 more. I want this, right? So we do the subscribe and save. That's pre-selected. And then we have these nice choices. We have the amounts we want. And look, everything adapts. If we do strawberry, it will show me the strawberry, vanilla, cinnamon, chocolate, right? It all adapts. 2 bags. Let's see. Look at that. They have really thought this through. Everything adapts. Everything is set up for each drink. That's really nice. And then you get your free gifts down here. They tell me how much each free gift is I get for free. Why should I subscribe? They've taken the risk out of it. 60-day money back guarantee. So there was a guy that spoke about this, that he tested 30-day money back guarantees and 60-day money back guarantees and like 90-day money back guarantees. And the sweet spot he found was 60 days. And obviously that's what they've got here. So a nice 60-day money back guarantee. Right by the checkout, look at the information I'm getting. I'm getting, this purchase is safe. I am secure. It's a money back guarantee. And here's when I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it in 2 days. If I click this button now, it's 2 days for me to get it. I don't have to wait long. And if I don't like it, I get the money back guarantee. And then there's a nice little sales pitch. And down here, we have some, FAQs. Now, these FAQs are actually such huge drivers to increase your revenue per visitor, right? And you want to study which FAQs you have in a prominent position in your product page section, which order they are in, okay? Now, you can do that through heat maps, right? You can do revenue per visitor tracking, and you can really dial in on the layout of your FAQs and the exact structure you have your product section page because your revenue per visitor is such an important metric that not a lot of people focus on. Okay, so they've got this broken down, and then they've got their nice upsell. So that concludes their product page section, right? Super nice. Now here, trust factor. It was in the Marie Claire, GQ Sunday Times Men's Health. Wow. And then here's how I use it. Here's everything that's broken down, right? They even have this nice nutrition info, quality guarantee, right? Look at the imagery throughout too. It's all consistent. Look at the fonts, consistent with the logos, consistent everywhere, consistent with the imagery, the coloring, the sizes. Attention to detail has been, really thought out. Every possible question a customer can have has been answered, has been dialed in. They don't really need to escape this page to find out more, right? Okay, here's why it's better than a traditional. Okay, and then look at this. They just reviews, loads of FAQs, and then other products. Okay, they also have this nice little live chat. They use Gorgeous, and you can use a free tool called Shopify Inbox to do that. Okay, so this is a really nice structured page. You're not going to be able to do something exactly like this, but follow the flow of this. Now I quickly just want to reinforce that flow because a very similar flow is used on one of the most popular beauty dropshipping stores there is, and that's Bleem. Okay, so look, reviews at the top, building that trust factor. They have the FOMO. They have this, the free shipping, money back guarantee, 175,000 happy babes. In their photo, you see very consistent, answering all the questions. You get a free gift, befores and afters, etc. Right? They've got the same structure here, which they do. They have, multi-buys, quantity selectors, and based on the quantity, you get different discounts, which is good. And they've reinforced the freeness. Then they've got a bit of FOMO, right? It's only included in the next 105 orders. We all know that's a lie. And that a very similar custom liquid to that is already in that Discord. And so is this, right? Right by the offer. They're not calling it buy now. They're not calling it add to cart. It's claim the offer. This is an offer they have going on, guys. You've got to claim it. Right by the offer, look. They're showing you when you're going to receive it. They're giving you FOMO. They're giving you urgency. It's free shipping. You get your guarantee. And they've structured their FAQs here too, exactly like Space Goods. Okay. How can I use it? How does it work? What friction? Common questions they're going to get. And then the shipping and deliveries and refunds and whatnot. Then they're reinforcing what it does. They're going to be reinforcing what customers are saying, reviews, how it compares. When you start to analyze these very high level pages, you start to realize that they all follow the same flow. And if you can build a site with this flows too, it's because it works, right? These two products are totally different. This is a beauty product, right? And this is a coffee consumable. Totally different, yet they use the same flow. That's because it works, okay? If you structure your pages with very similar flows to this and layouts, you're going to do well, okay? So I hope this video helps you guys. I hope you can get a better understanding of how to structure your product page. Don't just clone these pages. Don't just have ChatGPT write your copy, right? That is the most important part, okay? You need to really dial in and you really need to learn how to do it yourself.